Orozco, Employee of the Month for maintenance. Really one of the more important positions within Metro, and that is as a senior service attendant. Eleanor is being recognized this month for her excellence in cleanliness and her training technique of others. You know, it's so important that our bus riders have a consistent positive experience every time they're on board. And it's people like Eleanor as a senior service attendant that make that happen. Ensures the bus are clean and meet everyone's standards. She also has an excellent disposition, is well regarded by her peers, and with 11 years with Metro and leading here at Division 1, I'm very proud to congratulate Eleanor for being our Employee of the Month. Eleanor?
Done a huge impact on the cleanliness here by training the new employees, and also the environmental stuff that she does for the division has really contributed to our very high scores here at the division.
I appreciate it. I thank him for acknowledging that all my work I try to do, or I do here at the division. I love my job. I always try to encourage employees when they come in, just work hard. Don't take it for granted. Just because you started as a service attendant, there's a lot of opening doors. There's a lot of, you could be a CEO, you never know.